Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Lenovo A7. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to long press in your device home screen, and then you will find here a screen appear something like this. Here you will find here wallpapers. So if you want to change wallpaper, you click that, and now it will give you a screen something like this. You can click here. There is a different option. You can choose here photos or which is wallpapers. If you click here wallpapers, which is currently selected, if we click here just once, and we'll see all the picture inside the device, it will appear, and you can choose any of wallpaper you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to click here set wallpaper. And after click on set wallpaper, it will give you a screen will appear something like this, which will say you set home screen or set lock screen or home screen and lock screen. So if you want to set this picture for your home screen, you can choose that. If you want to set for lock screen, you can choose either. If you want to set this picture for both, you can easily. For example, I'm going to choose this picture for home screen and lock screen, and I can see my device immediately set that wallpaper, even it's also set in my lock screen. So within this way you can set wallpaper. If you want to add your personal wallpaper, you can do. Again, you need to long press and you click here wallpaper, and then you need to click here. You can choose here photo. I'm going to click here as it is wallpapers. I'm going to click here just once. When you click that, you will see here a screen will appear my photo. You can choose any photo in your phone. You can choose any photo that you have. You can choose of any of them, and you can easily set also in your phone home screen or lock screen. So in this way you can easily set wallpaper in your Lenovo A7. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.